Welcome! If you've been using Instagram on your computer and noticed people replying with GIFs, you might be wondering how to turn that feature on for yourself. Good news, Instagram has recently added the option to allow GIF comments on the web version, and it only takes a few clicks to enable it. Let's walk through it step by step so you can start using GIFs in your comments right away. First, open Instagram in your browser on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account because you'll need access to your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that, and a small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different features and preferences. Now, inside the settings, find and click on Comments. This section manages everything related to how comments work on your account. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Allow GIF comments. Once you find it, simply toggle